So on number 3, let's zoom in a little bit. Oh no, I can't zoom in. Oh, I can. Okay. So which piece is my f of x then? The last one. So I'm going to write this one out. And I'm going to fill in just like I have. We have x here and x right there. X plus h, x. So really, x is 1/2. So if I rewrite this, let's write out x equals 1/2. And f of x in terms of the x will be 8x to the power of 8. And we are finding the derivative. That's from like unit 1. What 2 do I multiply to find the derivative? 8 and 8. And then the power becomes 1 more or 1 less? 1 less. And then after that, I need to plug in, what about at 1/2? So f prime of 1/2, 64 times 1/2 of the 7. And the way I would write out this one would be the following. Write 64 in terms of 2. 2 to the power of how many is 64 if you kind of remember?
4.
That would be, no.
6.
6. And then if I rewrite the next one as a fraction, 1 over 2 to the power of 7. Because in the end, when I distribute the 7, it goes to the 1, goes to the 2. 1's not going to be affected. So then, are my 2's top heavy or bottom heavy? Bottom heavy by how many more? 1 more. And there we have it. All right, moving on to number 4. Cody, let's read number 4, please.
Calculator not allowed. Limit of x
Limit as x approaches.
is x over 4 sine x minus pi over 4 over x minus pi over 4 is.
So on this one, if y'all remember, the first thing we did back in unit 1 was you plug in what number it's approaching, right? So if I plug in the pi over 4 in here, that's going to give me sine of 0. Oh, I didn't write out the whole sign. Oh, goodness. That's going to give me sine of 0 over 0. What is sine of 0? 0. And when it was 0 over 0, what was the phrase that I asked you guys to write out? Do more. Very good. Now, typically, do more on this one. We're going to use, y'all remember the L'Hopital rule?
Yeah.
Where you take the derivative and then plug it in?
Yeah.
So we have the L'Hopital rule. And what that basically means, we're going to rewrite out the limit as x approaches pi over 4. What is the derivative of sine? Cosine of the inside. And we will use chain rule, but derivative of the inside is 1 that I'm not going to write out. All over. What is the derivative of the bottom? Oh, 1. Good, because derivative of 1x is 1. Very good. So now I can plug it in. Plug in this pi over 4 into this x, which we get cosine of pi over 4 minus pi over 4 is 0, right? Over 1. What is cosine of 0? 1. And 1 over 1 is 1.